Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can screen record on Snapchat without them knowing in iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So if you want to record a screen without your friend knowing on iPhone, if you want to do by doing the opening your conversation here, the other person will be notified. So how you can do without the other person knowing? You simply need to go into the iStore and you will find an application with the name of a power mirror that you need to install onto your PC, and then you need to connect your iPhone with your PC, and then you need to go into the Snapchat and record a conversation with that. So this is a process by which you can screen record on Snapchat without them knowing in iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.